Temu is taking over the world. Maybe not the world, but definitely the internet. So today we're gonna review more stuff from Temu. This time I bought a bunch of stuff, 5-star review things. So we're gonna see if they're actually worth 5 stars and what do we think about them. So let's start. So the first thing that I've picked up is something
maybe exciting, maybe not.
We'll decide it together, but it is this 7 Styles eyeliner stamp pen red black liquid eyeliner, which has double ending and is waterproof, and it was only £1.98. The best thing about this eyeliner is that you can make little hearts near your eyes. Isn't this what you want? When one side is the eyeliner and the other side is the heart stamp, and I'm very excited for that one. And this is how it looks. I mean, it looks freaking awesome. It looks like that type of stamps I would use everywhere on my notebooks when I was about 7 or 8. And on this side, as I guess, we have the eyeliner, which is pretty cool because I don't have anything on my eyes and we are gonna try it. It's a different type of hell to do your eyelines in front of the camera, but we'll do it today. And this product has been sold for more than 78,000 times, which is insane. Okay, it's not very liquidy and it's very sharp. It's like I have a needle under my eye, which is not great. Okay, that is a very mediocre eyeliner. It's very spiky and it's not liquid in the slightest. I had to poke my eyes really bad to get something out of it, so I'm not impressed in the slightest. But of course, we're here for this, right? The stamp, the most magical thing, I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cute! Did you see that? That is so freaking awesome. Okay, I genuinely love this so much. It's so easy to just stamp hearts all over your face. You don't have to draw them or anything like that. Like, this is absolutely wonderful. I really love how it works. I think overall I'd give it like 3 stars out of 5 just because the eyeliner is terrible, but the stamp is so cute. The next thing that I have is maybe the most gimmicky thing out of all the crazy things that I've got. So is this little fork, but it is actually adjustable back scratcher stainless steel back massage telescope, which was only 0.68. So I think you can build it up. Oh my goodness, that is really long. That is a huge ass back scratcher. Then it looks like a little old style pen. Can I scratch my back? Oh yes. I love this, you know. This is perfect. When you don't have anyone around, just get this with you, make it longer and just scratch your back like there's no one around. That's actually quite satisfying. The thing you find on Temu, eh? What the hell am I doing? So I think we're gonna rate this a 4 out of 5. I'm super excited for the next product because it's wig. This wig was only £2.97 and it's called Pink Long Baby Wave Hair Wig with bangs, synthetic, blah blah blah. But this is how the wig has arrived. It looks quite promising, not gonna lie. I always wanted this hair color, but I'm not that brave. This is how it looks inside. It looks pretty solid. Like, if you ask me, I would tell you that it's a very expensive wig. Ta-da! Now, who is she? Genuinely, I love this color so much. I am out of an anime, I guess. Look at my little hearts. I must say, it has such good volume. I think I'm giving this wig 5 stars out of 5 just because it's amazing. For this price, I don't think I can find anything better than this. Okay, I like this wig so much that I'm gonna continue the video like this. So the next product that we'll be trying today is a paw-shaped wall toy interactive treat for your indoor cat, and this was only £1.77 and it matches my wig. How convenient. I had this little thing here and I'm gonna stick it on the wall for my little boy. He's already very impatient, as you can see. It's very difficult to do this with one hand. Okay, he's trying to help me. He's definitely trying to help me. Okay, then let's stick it here and see how he reacts. Oh my goodness, he really loves it. Come on. Do you like it, cat? Okay, he definitely likes it. Look at that! Oh my goodness. So cheap, but it brings them so much joy. Okay, I think he thinks it's more like a toy rather than like this. Okay. Do you like it? Okay, he lost the interest very quickly. I think we would rate this toy 3 stars out of 5, I guess. He was excited for literally
10 seconds.
Okay guys, you could tell that I never wore a wig in my life because I just discovered that that wig actually comes with a wig cap, which is very convenient. Like, that's actually awesome. Okay, so this is what I have. It looks literally like a sock. I thought that the wig after the next thing, which is so cute. This is Heart and Happy slogan print t-shirt, cute short sleeve crew neck top, and it was only £2.68. Okay, so here's the top in all its glory. It's alright, it's a bit oversized, but it's 100% polyester, and this is the shit that I really hate, especially in the summertime. So for this reason, I'm gonna give it 2 stars out of 5, just because it's quite cute, the print is lovely, it was super duper cheap, but I would never ever wear this fabric. The next thing that I've got is really sus, just because when I click to see more about it, it says the item was discontinued, so and this is minimalist style teeth cover. Basically, if you have wonky terrible teeth just like me, and this was only £1.99. So this comes with some very interesting instructions. Basically, put the customizable, Jesus, is my English home, knock knock. Put a customizable material or beads in boiling water till it gets melted, filling the melted material to the top to a mold to make customized teeth, yada yada yada. Basically, I'm just gonna follow this long ass instructions, and just before doing anything, this is what I've got. It looks so plasticky. It looks genuinely like that type of vampire teeth I used to buy when I was a kid. Ooh, I got my fabulous drink of teeth. Do you like my teeth? Okay guys, do you like my teeth? Do you like my teeth?
That's pretty terrible.
Ah, God. Ew, sorry. They're so terrible, so disgusting, and so fake looking. You look from a mile fake as F. So, I think I'd rate this 0 out of 5 stars just because they are fake as hell. You know, sometimes what's natural is okay. You don't need to look super duper turkey teeth. So the next product that I will be trying is actually a raincoat, and it was only £1.92. My goodness, why am I so impressed by a piece of plastic?
It's fantastic.
Yay! Oh my goodness, it's so long. I don't think it's my size, even though I have chosen the size S. It has elastic here, which is pretty good. And this is how I look. Yeah, I feel like I can take everything off under my raincoat and just be the Bianca Sensori. And I'm gonna rate this 3 stars out of 5. Alrighty, the next thing is the last one for today, and we'll be trying this set called Glow in the Black Light Face Paint Crayons Kit. 6 pieces black light, makeup, neon face and body paint sticks, yada yada yada, which was £4.58, the most expensive thing out of everything that we tried today. And it's basically like a type of face paint, and it glows in the dark under UV light. It's safe for most skin types, easily washes off, and yeah, I think this is everyone's dream, or at least everyone who goes to a festival and just wants to glow in the dark. I wish I had this when I was like 13, because I would have killed for this set. Comes with this very weird thing, Peppa Pig. Do I want to put this on my face, or do I want to draw Peppa Pig on my face? And I thought I'd show you a little close-up. Very bright, very neon, all the colors. It looks like one of those old school crayons, Crayola, if you remember those. Definitely doesn't smell like that. It smells very chemically, and it states it doesn't have preservatives, but I don't buy that, Temu. We know what you're selling. So I wanted to create this look, but I'm failing pretty much, so I'm just gonna draw some hearts because I'm obsessed with them. Ew, this one stinks so bad. I'd say they feel quite cold, and it takes a while to be melted, because I guess that's how they work on the skin. Moment of the truth. Do you see anything on my face? I don't think you have. Oh my god, I'm so dark. No, maybe my UV light is not working, because I just made a very random shitty light from like markers and stuff, but like, yeah, I just don't have the UV lights to show you if it's gonna be shown or not. So for that reason, I think I'm gonna give them 2 stars out of 5. Okay guys, so that was me trying more gimmicky stuff from Temu, and don't forget there's gonna be a second part of this video, so don't forget to subscribe, smash the huge thumbs up, and see you on the next one. Bye. So